wicked person off of Ariel. Yeah. Here's some stuff I got. So I got this foundation. I've been needing foundation